Hello my dear friends, this is Rajesh Mohapatra. I hope all of you are doing well and happiness. In this session, I'll guide you what is reservation instance in Google Cloud Platform, why is it required in GCP, and I'll guide you the benefit of reservation instance in Google Cloud Platform so that you can select or choose based on your project requirement. Guys, let's get started. In Google Cloud Platform, reserved instances are a way to save money on your compute cost by committing to a specific set of virtual machine instances for a certain period of time. This means you pre-purchase capacity for a specific VM configuration like machine type, region and operating system for a set term of 1 year, 3 year or on demand in exchange for significant discount compared to on-demand pricing. Reserve instance in Google Cloud Platform are a way to purchase compute resources like virtual machine at a discount rate in exchange for a commitment to use them for a specific period. For example, it's like a prepaying for your cloud resources similar to how you might buy a monthly gym membership or a season pass to a sporting event. You know guys how reserve instance work in Google Cloud Platform. Choose your resource, you select the type and number of compute resources you want to reserve such as virtual machine, GPU and local SSD. You can also specify the region or zone where you want these resources to be located. Commitment period, you choose how long you want to commit to using these resources, typically for 1 year to 3 years. Discount rate, you know guys, you get a significant discount on the demand price of resources, typically up to 70% off. Capacity guarantee, guys, Google guarantees that your reserve resources will be available to you whenever you need them, even during peak usage time. Flexibility, like guys, you can modify or exchange your reserve instances through their term to adapt to changing workload needs. Now guys, I hope so you understand how the reserve instance work in Google Cloud Platform. Now I'll guide you what are the benefits of using reserved instances in Google Cloud Platform. First of all guys, you save money. The main benefit of using reserved instances is to save money on your cloud computing cost. If you know you will be using a certain amount of compute resources for a predictable period, then reserving them can significantly reduce your cost. Capacity guarantee, guys, reserved instances provide you with a guarantee capacity, which means that you won't have to worry about not being able to find the resources you need when you need them. This can be especially important for mission critical application. Predictable billing, guys, reserved instances give you predictable billing which can help you budget for your cloud computing cost. Guys, reserve instances are good option for businesses with predictable workload that require consistent VM usage. These include applications like web server, databases and batch processing. If you are unsure whether reserve instances are right for you, GCP offers a tool called the RAI recommendation engine that can help you assess your potential saving. Guys, the important things, however, there are also something to keep in your mind before you purchase a reserve instance. First is upfront commitment, unused capacity and limited flexibility. You need to be willing to commit using the VM for a certain period of time. You may need to make an upfront payment for your RAI reserve instance depending on the term and discount you choose. If you don't use all your reserve instances hours, you lose them. If you don't use all your reserve capacity, you may lose some of your saving. And limit flexibility, like guys, you can't change the type or number of VM in a reservation once it's purchased. Reservation instance requires some upfront planning and management. Now guys, I hope so you understand what exactly reserved instance is and how it is work in Google Cloud Platform. Thank you guys and see you in the next session and have a great day.